Hello, my name is Kyla Hecht, and I made a poem that talks and demonstrates what nursing is to me. As a nurse, you're helping people who are probably in the hardest time of their life. No one wants to be sick. Um, it talks about the person and the nurse that I strive to be. Nursing doesn't only represent a profession, but it's something I look forward to doing every day since I get to help people. So, nursing. It's a committed practice of unceasing care and love for those at their weakest times, a profession not to be taken for granted or mistaken for their painful days and endless nights, but nurses are there to help shed some light. Nursing those back to health spiritually gives me more wealth. While in the most vulnerable times of their lives, nurses are the ones who have to strive, possessing the knowledge and strength while walking the extra length. To create a bond with a patient makes my heart feel less vacant. Being an advocate for their needs while having compassion to do good deeds. Nurses are given the opportunity to love and care for those in need, unconditionally from all scopes of life, and this is the nurse I symbolize. Thank you.